Right, so I couldn't resist it. I've just finished doing the postcards and the London bus, and I'm going to now do this. I love it. I want to put it on my desk. I want to put my phone in it. I want to make it because it's just cool. Whatever. I like it. So I'm going to do this. Don't know if you will enjoy the video, but I'm going to do it and see what happens. Right, where's Kniffy? Okay. I waited a long time for this. This was released, I think, in March, and I didn't get it until May. Maybe, yeah, I think it was May. Because, like I've said so many times before, we have to wait for so much stuff here in Turkey. It's ridiculous. But yeah, when I saw it, I bought it straight away. Was expensive here, but well worth it, I think. A nostalgia. I didn't show you the box. I'm going to do this first. That's a lot of parts. Okay. Show you the box. Okay, so it stands 19.5 centimeters, 7.5 inches. Oh, sorry, no, that's the width, 19.5 centimeters. It stands 31 centimeters or 12 inches, so a foot high. Noob. So yeah, it's quite a big set really to be going on my desk, but whatever. I like it. It's going to be cool, I think. I'm doing the old version of the telephone, which is this one here, I think. Sorry, the top one. I'm doing the old version because I remember those because I'm that old. Yes, that old. So I'm going to do the old version because when you start the book, the manual, it actually tells you which one, asks you which one you want to do. So yeah. Box looks nice, like the artwork, it's very cool. Side view. Okay, now how many bags do we have? A lot. One answer. 9. Oh my god. 10. Seriously? 3. And 10. What else we got in here? 2. 11. That's a lot. 11 for a telephone box. Gee. 2. Ooh. I got the noise. 4. 5. 6. Oh my god. 7. And that must be 1, yes. Right, okay, so we have 11 bags. Oh my god. It might be a two-parter for me, because I've been building all day, making display cases and stuff. Also have one sticker set. Let's have a look. Yeah, nice little adverts that go inside the telephone booths, which I always remember. It's very cool. So it's that. 2 big plates. Bag 1. What do we got here? Do we have any nice details about telephone box? Yes, we do. Meet the fan designer, John Cram, with his original model. Okay. Very cool. Nice information about the old red London telephone boxes. If these kiosks could talk. Okay. And a contest celebrating a contest. Right, cool. Yeah, there's loads of information. Wow. Okay. So, tried to show you, obviously. Not that easy. We meet the designer, a little bit of history, about a competition, a century of change. Oh, right. So if you look, that's how much the telephone boxes have changed in time, which is very cool. And then, what's that? Anyone on the line today? Okay, don't know what that's all about. I'll need to read this later. So basically 1921, 1926, 1929, 1936. So in 1936, we've still got the same style telephone boxes still in London, which is cool. And a call from the Lego designer. Okay, some more information about the designer and some strange woman in a telephone box. Okay, well, that was surprising. And then on to bag one. So there we go. Quite a comprehensive manual, really. So I'm going to start the speed build. This might be done over a couple of days. I didn't realise there was 11 bags. I'll see how far I can get today without falling asleep, because it is currently 5 PM here in good old Istanbul. So it might take a while. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the video now, and then I'll start the speed build. Makes it easier for my editing. So, set finished. I don't know why I decided to do this. It is now 9:30 at night. I've been building Lego all day, but I did enjoy it. There was a lot of repetitive stuff, but it's the end result really cool. I really like it. Bit nostalgic for me, you know, like the flowers. They actually had this lamppost with the flowers facing that way. I didn't like, so I just turned it around. Just me. It's a little bit wobbly because of all the parts, but the details are awesome. I mean, the cobblestone here, the flowers, the lamppost, these two bollards are for telephone. So you can go like that and put your telephone there. And also at the back, there's a little hole that you can put your charging cable through. How that would then stand up, I don't know, but you know, because the charging hole's there, so it would actually, yeah, whatever. Nice thought. I won't use it for that though, unless I can do something properly. But it's Buildmore Road, City of Brixton. Bricks, as in Brixton, SC1. It's very cool. I like the railings, the brickwork, just everything about it. There was a lot of red, that's for sure. And of course you can open up the door, and inside you have, it says telephone book, but I remember it as being the yellow pages. There's also like little signs in there, advertising, and then on the top of here you got a little button and you can turn the light on. Yay! Which is very cool. Nice addition. It's a shame it doesn't really light up the telephone, because the white here and here used to light up at night time. It's a shame they didn't do that, but you know, whatever. What can I say? I mean, it's just amazing. I really liked it. The details were just incredible. It's even got the little sign inside here. It says, please be brief. Basically, used to tell people to keep your phone call short, because other people who wanted to use it, it's a public telephone. And that's what that long list of writing is there. What you can and can't do, what you should and shouldn't do, and then like emergency numbers, stuff like that. For help, call this 555. There's all sorts of numbers. Advertising for, was it new model typewriter, tea time, so cafe, live jazz on Friday 7th of August, and then a hat shop. It's very cool. And then your little coin box in there as well, which is very cool. I love the tiny little details. The only thing that's missing really is like a dialing sticker or something for the actual dialing phone. But apart from that, no. Awesome. Very awesome. Very cool. And I intended on building just half of it and then stopping, but I just couldn't stop. So that must say something to you, okay? That I enjoyed it. But then I'm from England. I worked in London for quite a while, so it does mean a little bit more to me maybe than it does to most people. These telephone boxes weren't just in London, just so you know. They were actually all around England, and still are, I believe. Not that I've been there recently. But yeah, thumbs up from me. Awesome set. Loved it. Gonna keep it. Gonna display it. The only thing is, I suppose this is like, it's a little bit wobbly, but you know, I don't think they can really do much else, to be honest. But yeah, thank you. If you could like the video, subscribe if you want to, comment please, would help me. I'm enjoying doing these, and I want to get feedback. What you'd like me to do next? Was this good? Was it bad? What do you think of the set? Would you buy it? Blah blah blah. You know. It's £100, I think, something like that, in the UK. So it's quite expensive, but it is, I think, the details on it and everything, the railings, all that sort of stuff, is just, I think it's worth it. But that's just me personally. Thank you. See you later. I'm going to turn it off now. Bye.